morning to all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Very good. So today this is your activity period. This is your activity period, and today we will learn about the different type of leaves. What we will learn? Different type of leaves. So in previous video we have learned about the plant. What we have learned? Plant. And now we will learn about the leaves. Different type of leaves and their uses. So before starting the topic, let's do the assembly. So children, today's date is 17 May 2021. 17th May 2021, and shape of the week is sphere. Shape of the week is sphere. And fruit of the week is orange. All of you can see this, orange. And word of the week is sunny. SUNNY, sunny. And color of the week is orange. Color of the week is orange. And sentence of the week is today is a sunny day. Today is a sunny day. All of you can see this. Today is a sunny day. Very good. So students, you have to learn the assembly work also. Now this is your activity period, and today we will learn about the different type of leaves. So children, you have to watch the video carefully and listen carefully whatever your teacher is saying. Now we will do the activity. So let's start. I will show you some leaves. Now this is a mango leaf. This is a mango leaf. This is a guava leaf. Guava leaf. This is a lemon leaf. Lemon leaf. And this is a mint leaf. This is a basil leaf. This is a basil leaf, tulsi leaf. And this is a tomato leaf. This is a tomato leaf. So student, can you see the difference in these leaves? आप इसमें difference देख सकते हो? They all are in different size, different shape. है ना? इसमें देख सकते हो ना आप, सबका अपना अपना अलग अलग शेप है, अलग अलग डिफरेंस है, और इन सबका अलग अलग काम भी होता है. Like mango. Can you see this? Mango leaf is very big leaf. Mango क्या होती है? Big भी होती है और ज्यादा broad भी होती है ना? आप इसको देख सकते हो ना? Big and broad. Mango leaf क्या होती है? सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी होती है, सबसे ज्यादा फैली हुई भी होती है. Then you can see this. This is also a big leaf, guava leaf. Then lemon leaf and basil leaf. Basil क्या होती है? छोटी लीफ होती है. Basil is a small leaf. And then tomato leaf. इन सब के अलग अलग काम होते हैं, अलग अलग वर्क होते हैं. Like mango is a fruit. Mango leaf. Mango is a fruit. So mango is a fruit leaf. है ना? ये कौन सी लीफ होती है? फ्रूट लीफ होती है. देन अगेन गुआवा लीफ. गुआवा क्या होता है? फ्रूट होता है. गुआवा को हम लोग खाते हैं ना. सो गुआवा लीफ इज ऑल्सो अ फ्रूट लीफ. देन लेमन. लेमन इज ऑल्सो अगेन अ fruit leaf. And this is the basil leaf. Basil helps in मेडिसिनल प्लांट. बेसिल क्या होता है? मेडिसिनल प्लांट होता है. ये मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए हेल्प करता है. दिस हेल्प्स फॉर मेडिसिनल यूज. ये किस चीज के लिए यूज होता है? मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए. टमाटो लीफ. टमाटो लीफ क्या होती है? वेजिटेबल लीफ. टमाटो क्या होता है? वेजिटेबल. सो टमाटो लीफ इज अ vegetable leaf. You can see the difference in this leaf. I will show you. First of all, I will explain you the leaf. This is the petiole. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Petiole बोलते हैं. And this is the base. ये क्या होता है हमारा? Base होता है. What is this? Base. This is the petiole and this is the base. And this is the midrib. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Midrib बोलते हैं. Midrib. And top of the leaf is apex. Top of the leaf is apex. And these are the blade. These are the blade. Okay, student. This is the petiole. This is the base. This is the midrib. This top of the leaf is apex. And this is the blade. This is the blade. So you can see the differences also. Like this. There are short blader and this is the blader. Can you see this? This is the blader. And this is the petiole. This is the petiole. And this is the base. ये क्या होता है? Base होता है. Then this is the midrib. Midrib. And apex. इसमें आप देख सकते हो ना, blader है. This is the blader. And in this you can't see the blader. यहाँ देखो, इसमें differences देखो. Can you see the difference of the leaves? इसका shape देखो and इसकी difference देखो. इसका difference अलग है and इसका difference अलग है. So the leaves are of different shapes. ये अलग अलग शेप्स के भी होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव गॉट दिस प्रॉपरली. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू पेस्ट दिस पिक्चर, पेस्ट दिस लीफ in your drawing file, or you can paste this in your scrapbook if you have a scrapbook. I am pasting this in drawing file. You can paste this in your scrapbook with their name. आपको उनके name भी mention करने. Okay student, so now let's start. And first of all you have to border it. Then you have to mention the date 17th May 2021. And day is Monday. Day is Monday. Okay student. Now I am pasting first leaf is mango leaf, which is very big in size. ये क्या होती है? साइज में बड़ी होती है. Big in size. Now second leaf I am taking the guava leaf. You have to paste it from the Fevicol. Okay student. Second leaf I am taking the guava leaf. Like this you have to paste it. And then third I am taking the lemon leaf. Lemon leaf. Okay, and then I am taking the mint leaf. I am taking the basil leaf. Basil leaf. Basil leaf. You have to paste it like this. Okay. Okay, and then I'm taking the tomato leaf. So student, these are the leaves, different type of leaves with different shapes, different colors, okay, and different sizes. So now you have to do this, and you have to click the picture of this and you have to send to me, send to your respective class teachers by 2 p.m. आपको इसको अपनी ड्राइंग फाइल या स्क्रैप बुक में इसको पेस्ट करना है. Then you have to write their names and you have to send the picture of this to your respective class teachers. Okay, student? So now write their names. First name is Mango. Then Guava. Now this is the mango leaf. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And this is the guava leaf. G-U-A-V-A. Guava leaf. And this is the lemon leaf. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon leaf. This is the basil leaf. Medicinal leaf. Okay. And this is the tomato leaf. M-A-T-O. So like this you have to do this, and you have to click the picture of this and send to your respective class teachers. So thank you class, and bye bye.